Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. In today's video, we are going to study one of the homeopathic medicine which has got an honor to be the goddess of homeopathic Matra Medica by Dr. N.M. Chaudhary. This medicine is one of the antispasmodic and anti-neuralgic medicine. And friends, I am talking about none other than magnesium phosphoricum. Magnesium phosphoricum is also included in 12 tissue remedies by Dr. Sushla. So let's get started. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time, then please subscribe the channel, press a bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Stay connected with Homeopathy the Healing Power to get more and more knowledge on homeopathy. Magnesium phosphoricum, and commonly we called it as MACPHOS. MACPHOS is proved by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Common name, phosphate of magnesium. Chemical formula, MgHPO4 7H2O. Sphere of action. MACPHOS has its special action on brain, nerves, muscle, intestine, and uterus. Pathogenesis. MACPHOS has a tendency of producing neuralgic pains, and it produces pains in certain areas like head, teeth, and abdomen. The pain produced by MACPHOS are of sharp, cutting, lightning, and almost spasmodic type of the pain, which are very much unbearable to the patient. MACPHOS being a tissue remedy, it is present in various parts of the body, especially in the blood cells, muscles, brain, spinal cord, and various tissues, in the form of cell salts. Deficiency of this cell salt in the body produces various symptoms, and these symptoms are seen in the form of pain, cramps, and paralysis. Let's start with symptoms. MACPHOS is a right-sided medicine. MACPHOS is the best medicine suited for all types of the pain, especially cramping, shooting, and lightening type of the pains. Now friends, we may get confused about these different types of the pain. So I will just explain in a very simple way. Cramping pain. This type of pain is produced by painful muscular cramps, and it may be occurring in any part of the body. Shooting and lightning type of pain. This is the sudden, severe, sharp type of the pain which are experienced suddenly in any part of the body and which are unbearable to the patient. Now friends, let's see how the symptoms are produced in MACPHOS. In MACPHOS, all the symptoms are produced after standing in a cold water for a long time, after exposure to cold air for a long time, working in cold clay during dentation period. Here, Dr. Kent has said the symptoms of MACPHOS are produced after long and overuse of nerves. This is seen in certain conditions like in writers and musicians, where there is a prolonged and overuse of fingers, and also in workers. So friends, MACPHOS cures all these type of neuralgic conditions, and hence MACPHOS is called as anti-neuralgic medicine in homeopathic Matra Medica. So now let's see MACPHOS in neuralgia. In MACPHOS, there is a neuralgia especially of face, supra and infraorbital region, and of course it will be of right side because MACPHOS in itself is a right-sided medicine. There is shooting, cutting, lightning, cramping type of the pain in neuralgia. The pain runs along the course of the nerve like a lightning flash, and rapidly changes the place. This is one of the key note of McFOS in neuralgia. The pain is so severe and unbearable, driving the patient to frenzy. Now here, frenzy means a state of uncontrolled excitement and wild behavior which is produced due to unbearable pain. And this is the peculiar symptom of McFOS. The neuralgic pains are aggravated by motion, by exposure to cold air or cold water, and these pains are relieved, that is, these pains are ameliorated by heat, by warmth, by pressure, and by bending double. This is also a peculiar modality of McFOS in neuralgia. McFOS in toothache. There is a severe neuralgic pain in McFOS during a toothache. Along with that, there is ulceration of teeth. There are the same type of pain like cutting, sharp, stabbing, shooting type of the pain, just like lightning or flash, and they all rapidly changes the places. Pains are unbearable. They all are aggravated at night while eating and drinking, especially cold things, and is relieved by heat, that is hot fermentation, by pressure, and patient here feels desire to drink hot tea, hot coffee just to get relief of pain. McFOS in headache. McFOS is specially suited for headache in school-going girls. And here headache starts because of exposure to cold air. Location is of right-sided because McFOS itself is a right-sided medicine. Here there is a peculiar sensation during a headache, that is as if a cap on a head is felt by the patient during headache. Patient feels that he is wearing a cap, but actually he doesn't wear, but he feels this type of sensation. Series of events during headache. Headache begins in occiput region and extends over the head, especially right-sided. During headache, the face becomes red due to sudden flushes. There is a neuralgic type of pain that is similar to what we have seen earlier. Pains are of cutting, sharp, lightning type of the pains, rapidly changing the places. Pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly is the peculiar symptom of McFOS in headache. Modalities. There is a unique time modality in McFOS during headache, that is aggravation from 10 to 11 am or 4 to 5 pm. There is other aggravations, that is from mental exertion, from hard study, from emotion, from touch, exposure to open air, cold air. And all these pains are relieved by external heat, by hard pressure, and by rubbing the affected parts. Now friends, let's see McFOS in abdominal colic. McFOS is an excellent medicine for abdominal colic. There is an abdominal pain seen especially at the pit of the stomach.
I am feeling like cramping pain in my abdomen. I am feeling like heaviness and gases in my abdomen.
There is the fullness and bloating seen in the abdominal colic. This is due to the gases accumulation.
Let me lose my clothes. I will feel better.
There is a great distension of abdomen. During pain, patient wants to loosen the clothing around the abdomen so that he may feel relief from the pain.
Let me walk. These gases and heaviness in abdomen will reduce.
Patient walks during the pain and constantly passes the flatus so that he may feel better during the pain, but this gives no relief to the patient. There is a cramping, cutting, lightning type of the pain which are very much unbearable to the patient. The pain changes the place, comes suddenly and goes suddenly. Due to this unbearable pain, patient bends forward. During pain, patient is unable to sit and lie down properly. so patient bends forward to get the relief of the pain. Friends, here is one of the key note of McPherson abdominal colic, that even after so much of unbearable pain and distension of abdomen, the tongue is clean during abdominal colic. Modalities: aggravation from touch, from exposure to cold air, amelioration by rubbing, warmth and by pressure. McPhers in menses. In McPhers, there is an membranous dysmenorrhea. Dr. Hahnemann sir was the first person to prescribe McPhers in dysmenorrhea, which gave miraculous results. There is a heavy flow during dysmenorrhea with severe abdominal pain, especially of right-sided. There is a spasmodic and cramping pain in abdomen during dysmenorrhea. The pains are so severe and unbearable to the patient, driving patient to frenzy, rapidly changing the place and compelling patient to bend forward. There is a peculiar modality during dysmenorrhea, that is, the pain is aggravated before the flow begins and pain is relieved after the flow begins by lying down, especially on right side, by heat, by bending double, by touch and by warmth. So friends, this was the video on McPhers, and hope you all have understood why Dr. N.M. Chaudhary have said McPhers as a goddess of homeopathic Matra Medica. As McPhers covers all types of the pain, especially the neurologic type of the pain, and which we face, which we see in our day-to-day clinical practice in number of cases, like in the form of appendicitis, abdominal colic, renal colic, gallstone colic during diarrhea, dysentery, toothache, and in almost every cases, and also especially dysmenorrhea, in almost every cases when symptom similarity is present and we prescribe McPhers, it gives wonderful cure. So friends, like this video, share this video, and yes, comment us below how was this today's video. Subscribe the channel, press a bell icon. Meet you soon in a next video with new medicine. Till then, thank you for watching.